Hello everyone. This video is basically just to motivate y'all. This was the first incubator which I had done. I have removed the fan. The fan was there here, and actually I had put two bulbs here and over here, and a controller just like this. And what actually happened, it was a basic setup with not even nothing was laying down. I had not kept anything except a glass of water and just the eggs, nothing else. Then what happened is that day the current went and I realized it's kind of a problem. So then I fixed it up with an UPS, okay, so that some amount of power supply can be done. Then also I realized if the current goes for a very long time with the box, the rate of heat loss is very fast. So then I brought a small thermocol box for just 200 rupees, and I shifted everything to this, okay. And first I was just having one controller with which I was controlling the fan, starting the fan just to cool, and the bulb used to be on continuously. But then I realized this fellow is not working very fine, the sensor was not working very fine. I ordered another one for this one so that I don't I wanted to cut out the light bulb like how it is happening right now. So for that I ordered this one so that I'm sure it is working. So this one is much better. With this one I had to adjust the temperature every day. I also ordered afterwards another lighting one so that I know the temperature is in around controlled. So now you can see there is a slight difference. So what I'll do, I'll slide adjust the temperature. It is going towards almost 40. I just brought it down, so hopefully that will help. So this also I cut it out afterwards. First batch which I did was just quail eggs, and my uncle gave me chicken eggs and turkey eggs. So four turkey eggs, five chicken eggs I was having, and sorry, five quail eggs, six chicken eggs, and four turkey eggs. So what happened is quail eggs hatch at around 18 days. So around 16 days I started getting hatchlings. So out of five I got three hatches, and that time I realized that there two of my quails, the legs were spread, completely spread like. And because of that I realized that I need to put something. So then I started putting with a net. So then I put this mesh, if you can see this mesh. So this actually helps them when they are born so that the legs don't split apart. And this I have added recently just for this second batch. Now I have added just yesterday because I'm not sure if the temperature is common everywhere, so I just want to be sure. So this is my second batch which I'm doing. These are some chicken eggs, and dark eggs I have kept, that also given by my uncle. I reckon this is correct. And quail eggs. So last time what had happened is I got three quails out of it and two ducks. My chicken eggs were not a good ones, so because of that I could not achieve anything. So you can see this I created just when the turkey was supposed to hatch so that I can see through. So this is helping because of that. A slight bit, this was just a jelly, left out jelly. My son eats a lot of jelly, so I have a lot of this, so I just use that. I have connected the bulb. The fan is also connected with this. That is not working properly, but it just helps in circulation inside it, just so that the temperature is even or slightly even to all the extent. So these are my birds, okay. That this and that is a turkey. Both are two turkeys, and rest are three quails. So these are my first you can say hatches from my incubator, which was very simple, and lot of issues also had happened in between. Current was also not there for some time, and in between I tried to put some rice husk, and what actually happened is some kind of green thing started getting generated, and then I had to clean it, and I just sanitized it. but still luckily everything worked out well. So right now these are in their brooder system. I have done this. First I had done in it box only, but just because when the turkey were born I wanted a bigger space. So I made this wooden box was there with me, so luckily I didn't have to buy it something. And then I have made this, plastic bottles so that they can eat. I have kept a little height, otherwise they waste a lot. And that I brought from Amazon. Very good if you just put some kind of pebble or something, so the water doesn't get wasted, and automatically it starts dripping from a bottle. On vacuum it is based, and some amount of shade or shelter you can say given them if they want to, if they feel it is needed. Okay, hope you do it. Don't get scared, just do it. It's really wonderful when you get your first hatchlings which are born. Take care. Bye.
बोला दे भाई किदू है चलले हल्ले ते हां किदू इल्लो चिलीपिंग हवे गए उदे ना है चलले मासे मला वाटतं की बडे टाइम से फुटला बी देत काय
ना ते हांवें कॉल ना पयलीं न्हू म्हाका कॉल येता कोण तरी भायर स्वता दिले म्हाका
अरे त्या पहिले पण नामरे काय बरी ओळली आवले न्हू
टर्की तें हे बी आनी एकले येता ते बी पळय थिंगा पळय फोडटा पळय दे लूक
रिकॉर्ड कर
वी कॅन सी अवर हे पळय कोण आहा रिकॉर्डिंग
सी बाबा गेला सी सी
दे लूक वन मोर इज कमिंग आउट
स्मॉल माउथ सी
It is.
वाव
हे येवन जायतो गोत जालो चिकनाची तांती हाचो प्रॉब्लम आसलो
What is that, Mama?